So yes, this is the Alesis SR-16, and we need to choose the right sound for the drums. The sounds I use to choose them, I'm going to drum set. Here in the toms, I select the number 140, which is high dry, the 141, which is middle tone dry, and the third tom is the 142, which is low tone dry. So I have 3 tom sounds here. Also, moving with the tempo, I can choose the volume of each tom. The first one I have it on 88, second one 78, third one is 76. In this way the volume is balanced, compensated with the strain of the toms. So those are the sounds from the toms. On the kick, drum kick, I have the 002 with the Hans Rom drum kick, which is an average sound. Another nice sound is the 001 with the Hans kit, but normally using the 002 with a more full sound. The volume on that one is 87, and then we move to the snare. The snare I use the 051, which they call it pure snare. Another nice snare sound is the number 054, which is it's called true snare. But most of the time I have this one. So I have 3 toms, a kick, and a snare. The volume on the snare is 80. The volume on the kick is 87. Volume on tone 3 is 76, 78 in the middle, and 88 on the tone 1. So we'll move now to the plates. This is a closed hi-hat, number 119, wet random skull. Volume is 99, which is the maximum volume. The open head, it's called open head, and there's number 121. Volume is 78. And then on the right is the live right, 130, and the volume is 80. We also have a crash, middle crash, 135, middle crash. And the volume is 64, because this one is noisy. 64 is enough. So on the plates I have these 4 sounds. On these other 3 pads I have nothing, and in 0 volume, just in case I make a mistake and I hit it, so it doesn't bother me. So that's how it sounds all drummed together. I forgot to mention that on the drum set you can choose the panning from each sound. The kick in the center, the snare in the center, crosshead also in the center, tone 1 on the left, tone 2 in the middle, tone 3 on the right. This one also in the middle. The right is a little bit on the left, you can see on the screen, crash, and the open head in the center. So now, when for example I want to use the pattern Rogue One from the preset, from the factory, I will hit play, so this is how it sounds from the factory, this pattern. So if I want to use the drum sounds that I create with my own drum set on the menu, I have to select the 00 user, which is the place where I save the drum set I make. And this way the pattern one sounds with this specific drum sound. So in this way you can use the preset patterns but with your own drum sounds. Alright, thank you.